Can I do a burnout? I'm going to do a burnout. I'm doing the burnout. I am a doctor for cows. Did you get that one part of me saying how to become a doctor? You didn't, huh? You fucking fake. You piece of shit.
When was this?
I just told you. You're still shooting?
Yeah.
Bring me this man for camera. Where did you come from? I hate this place, dude. You're seeking a friend.
Yeah, a best friend.
Gay? Huh? Give me a kiss. Yeah. I like that. Fuck. Nothing's working today, you know? Grab your breaker bar. I don't even know what socket size this is. This is a 19. If you own a Subaru Outback 2002, you grab a 19 millimeter socket and your breaker. Huh?
All Subarus are 19.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I swear my 8.6 is like a 17.
Go test it.
No, I'm not gonna take
Give me that socket.
You're right. You're right.
Socket.
Put some elbow grease into that. My goal in my videos is to take you to the dark side of the internet. I have a link in the description for a weird ass video. Jesus Christ. Died for your sins, not mine though, because I'm not religious. Bitch. I think I have them all loose.
Well,
Can I play with your dog?
I just got him groomed too.
Just got
It's beautiful.
He's so curly. Are you gonna eat my teriyaki sauce off my lap coat?
He is so food oriented, I cannot believe it.
Your hair feels so good. Yes. You like it, Dad? Dad, did I impress you today, Dad? Dad, did I do it today, Dad? I did it, Dad. I took the tire off. What? 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 Hey. Hey, you better back off before I jack off, alright? You trying to start something? Oh shit.
Take a piece.
Dude, you put honey on it and everything. Oh.
Hey, that's pretty. Hey, that's pretty.
Oh,
Oh.
oh no. My cat peed there.
I like cat feet.
Come on, finish it. Thank you.
And that's how you change a tire the easy way. I like peanut butter and jelly. Wait,
have my names, you know what I mean?